is Miss Jenny, and I'm trying a new series here to see if I can help you out some. So, this is the first of Motivation Mondays. And so, what we're going to try to do is overcome some of those obstacles that keep us from doing the tasks that we're supposed to do. So, for the very first one, I wanted to talk about using videos or media to get you motivated. So we know that there's so many YouTube videos that can help get you motivated. I have a bunch of them, cleaning yucky houses, doing various tasks, and there's a lot of other YouTubers who do there's so many different YouTube videos on cleaning. So you got your power hours, you got clean with me, you got clean my bathroom, clean my kids' room, weekend cleaning, after dark cleaning. There's just so many of them where you watch somebody else's, oh my gosh, I'm going to cough. Excuse me. Where you watch somebody else clean their house to help get you motivated. And they're really great, and I, of course, appreciate the people who watch my videos where I'm cleaning. But, oh look, the sun's coming out. Yay! That's motivational. So I wanted to talk about two other things that I personally find motivating. They're actually TV shows. One of them's not on anymore, and that happens to be my favorite. But the one here in the United States that a lot of people watch is Hoarders. And for some reason, watching that show and just seeing how bad it got, just looking at it, I don't know, it's raining. Is it raining? It might be raining. Anyway, watching how bad these people let their house get can be motivating. That particular series, if you've never seen it, it goes into the psychological reasons why people let their house get so out of control. And so there's maybe some mental help there to help get you on track, or maybe just seeing something that bad is enough to motivate you. My absolute favorite, really isn't on TV anymore, but you can still watch them on YouTube, and it's called How Clean Is Your House? And it's a British show. They used to be on the BBC, but actually I think the two ladies in the show had some kind of a falling out, and they don't do the show any longer. But it's Kim and Aggie, and they're from the UK, and they go into houses that are disaster areas, and they're kind of funny. They had a really good on-screen dynamic, so it's kind of sad that they don't get along anymore. But they go into these houses, and they crack some jokes, and of course they are pointing out how disgusting these situations are, and they tell you about how this house might smell. So there's that gives you kind of some kind of a mental image of how bad it is besides what you can see on the screen. And then they also go through and they clean. They have teams that come in and clean just like Hoarders do, but they give you tips on things that you can do to clean specific problems that you have, which is helpful for all of us. Even if your house isn't out of control, maybe you're getting some kind of calcium buildup on your shower head, or your oven needs to be cleaned. You have different types of metal or wood or things in your house. They give you tips on things, how to get those different areas of the house clean and looking good again. And that's mostly Kim's her task in the show. And then Aggie, wait a minute, I might have them mixed up. Yeah, I think Aggie's the short-haired lady. It's the short-haired lady anyway. She's the one, she looks at the really disgusting part of the house, where the germs are. And what she does is she takes swabs of different areas of the house, and she sends them to a lab. And then she comes back with these homeowners and shows them, on this service, this is the kind of bacteria that we found, and this is why it's so dangerous. So those two, Hoarders and How Clean Is Your House, those are my favorites, and they're actual TV shows. They're not YouTubers. Not to put down the YouTubers. I love YouTubers, and I'm one. But if you're looking for something a little bit different, Try looking at a video and see, or a movie, not a movie, my God, what is wrong with me today? How's that for motivation? A TV show about cleaning, and see if that'll help you get motivated. You certainly don't want to be like the people on TV, do you? Anyway, I do appreciate your taking the time to watch this video. I hope that it was helpful for you and maybe get you motivated. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put those down below. I answer every single one of them. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.